Hello, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to clear dark spots, pimples, acne on the face using Dettol. So I'm also going to make use of aloe vera as well. So guys, I'm going to fill my container with water. This is the amount of water that I'll be using to do the therapy. And I'm going to measure a half lid of the Dettol and then pour it into the water. I'll then shake the water and then get my cotton wool. I'm going to dip this cotton wool in the water. Make sure it is well soaked. And then I'm just going to clean my face with this, with a cotton wool. Clean it very carefully. Make sure to protect your eye. Make sure some of the water does not enter your eye because it will cause pain. When you clean your face and you notice that the cotton is dirty, just get rid of it and then take a different cotton. So I'm going to use a different cotton, dip it in the water and then clean my face again until I see no dirt in the cotton. Okay guys, so when you're done cleaning your face with a cotton, you can choose to clean it again, but I'm going for just 2 rounds. Just let it dry, and then if you have your aloe vera gel, apply some on your face. So you can pour the remaining water into your bathroom water. Don't throw it away, it's not a waste. Okay, so this is it. I'm done applying the aloe vera on my face. So guys, I'm going to leave this to dry on my face, and then after I apply a moisturizer. You can do this every evening after bath, and guys, this is great for clearing pimples, acne, dark spots. That is if you consistently do this action. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you.